We started out with AkzoNobel, when they first came in the country, when they were actually Sikkens before they were AkzoNobel, which was probably in the late 80s. It was the latest and greatest. So we were with them for about 20 years. There was a distributorship change, and I was asked to move to a different paint line, and we tried it. And we were with that line for about 5 or 6 years and realized we were missing the important piece, which was the service side. I don't like to say paint's paint, but if all the paint's good, what differentiates Akzo from the other guys? And for us, it was the services side. If there was ever an issue, someone who was here the next day versus other distributors that kind of was on us. You guys got to figure it out. Part of the issues we were having with other products were getting their water-based base coat to dry. We were using fans, we were trying this, we were trying that, and we just couldn't get that product to dry efficiently to where we could produce the kind of hours through the paint booth that we want to be able to produce. And that product actually slowed us down, which creates problems all the way down the line. From moving from that product to Akzo, we were probably up 15 to 20% in the efficiency side in the actual booth time. Now we're to the point where we measure booth cycle hours, and how many cycles we can do a day, how many hours we can put through that booth. It's less redo, it's more efficient through the paint booth, it's quicker dry times, it's better coverage. On the Akzo side, to their credit, they're always trying to develop a better product and change out some products, and making things better for the shops. And whether that's on the product side or the services side, the Akzo 20 groups are really strong. We're big advocates of them. We've been with that part of the program for forever. There's a lot of value in those meetings and meeting people from across the country, interacting with them, getting their ideas and sharing ideas and what's working, what's not working, and how to help each other get better. I'd much rather have as much input from knowledgeable people as I can, and then take nuggets here and there that I can apply to, my life or my business, versus saying, I know it all, I got this all figured out. At the end of the day, I think you gotta, when things start to go sideways, you gotta look at the person in the mirror and say, how can I fix this?